Okay, so this is basically if, so it's 5, A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6th video of this worksheet. I don't know what I got myself into, but okay, let's do this. So, alright, so we've proven that's not equal, no? So we're on the route to prove that AD is equal to BC. So from here we can say, okay, you see this line here, BP. That line BP is made up of BQ and plus a QP. Okay, that's a line segment. Alright, which is this line. And DR is equal to DS plus SR. Okay. So those lengths are represented as follows. So we know that from this diagram, BQ is equal to SD, that was given to us, and QP is equal to RS. Why? Because that was these opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. Okay, so let's write that down. So PQ is equal to SD given, as well as QP is equal to RS, opposite sides of parallelogram equal. Okay. So therefore we can conclude that BP is equal to RD. Okay. Okay, I just mark this with this, what's his name there? It's not necessarily the same. I could have just made it 3 bars itself. Okay. So what you notice now is that since that is equal to that, so we go on this side again. And we go with the same story there. So we go similarly. So if we're going now through the same notion of proving something, we just say similarly. So we say similarly. I just put a different color here as we're running out of space. Similarly, we can prove that AR is equal to PC. So what we have now is this length being equal to that length, and this length is equal to that length. Okay? So we got side, but P1 is equal to R1. Why? It's vertically opposite. Can you see that? No, not vertically opposite, sorry. Opposite angles of a parallelogram is equal. Okay. So I'm going to prove similarity, congruency here. So I say in triangle, BPC and triangle ARD. Okay, we can say that we needed this here. No, not that. This here. We know that BP is equal to RT, proven, as well as AR is equal to PC, also proven. Both is proven. Okay? And then we can say that P1 is equal to angle R1, vertically opposite. Not vertically opposite, but opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Okay? So we can conclude now, therefore, triangle ARD is congruent to triangle CPB. Why? Because it's side angle side. So from here we can conclude that AD is equal to BC. Therefore AD is equal to CB. Okay? So therefore we can conclude. Now just looking back at this diagram here. So we now prove that is equal to that. And we already proved that was equal to that. So we can conclude therefore AD CB is a parallelogram. Why? Two pairs of opposite sides equal. Okay, since two pairs of opposite sides are equal, therefore it has to be a parallelogram. Okay, it's a bit hectic. I don't think they will give you something like that in an exam, but it's nice to know, to navigate your way around that, something like that. Okay.